Welcome to a new Consumer Goods review. Today we have more hot Korean spicy noodles. Shasham! Shin Ramen Kimchi made by Nongshim Corporation. I'm hungry, so let's go ahead and cook it up. So we have 500 ml of water boiling up here. Let's go ahead and put the ramen in. It's well packed. There it is. The golden food. Ooh, look at this. Very well packed, like last time. Round shape. Let's actually drop in some pieces. Smells good. Put this here for a while. Let's see what else we got. We have the basics. Flakes and kimchi soup base. So yeah, time to put in the noodle. Very nice. While it's boiling, you put the both spices at the same time. Nice. And the flakes. Very good. Now we gotta stir it well. It's been about 4 minutes now, and I think they're ready to be eaten. Smell delicious. Time to put them on a plate. Ooh, very nice. Perfect ramen stew. Here we go. Let's see if Shin Ramen Kimchi tastes any good. The smell is definitely really good. Ooh, listen to this. So juicy. The noodle is so thick. Oh, nice. It's bursting with flavor. Let's find out. How does it taste like? Really surprising taste. The kimchi flavor is definitely really strong with this one. Much stronger than the bulldog kimchi. The heatness of this is really mild also. So that's why you can also taste the kimchi much better than the bulldog, because that one is like fire. This one is like, it's not even marketed to be like hot spicy noodle. It's more like just ramen. You enjoy the ramen without any extra heat. They actually have quite a lot of these veggies here as well. Look. Yep, that's kimchi. And also I see some onions, spring onion, cabbage. Lot of like, this flake pack was much bigger in my opinion than the bulldog one. So that's good. The flavor is like really different from other ramen. Like, it's just like kimchi. You taste the kimchi really well in this one, so that one I like. And then you have the noodles. The noodles are strong. and thick, so there's something to chew. It's really nice to chew this. Look at this. However, I think that flavor, it's only about kimchi. It's a little bit maybe getting boring after taking a few bites. Let's try the soup. Ooh, the soup is more spicy than the noodles. Yeah, I taste a lot of like kimchi, but also a lot of salt. I think it's really salty. Let's see how much salt they have. Ooh, that's right. 4.5 grams of salt per 100, so this one is really salty, and it has 9.6 protein, so that's good, not so unhealthy. It's sweet, flour, palm oil, salt, then they have some yeast, but not so many yeast as the Chinese tuna. That one has full of yeast. This one only had like 5 different yeasts, and one of them is coloring. The seasoning is soybean, garlic, and green tea extract. Interesting. You know, I'm kind of missing the spiciness of the bulldog noodles. Like, eating this feels like no challenge at all, because it's just a normal noodle. It's really solid noodle. Like, the kimchi flavor is strong, but I wish it has a little bit less salt. The salt is kind of a little bit ruining it for me. Like, after eating a little bit, your mouth just becomes like numb to the flavor. It becomes like boring. But overall, really solid noodle from the Nongshim Corporation. It's thick, it has protein, but a little bit too much salt. The flavor, kimchi, good. Yeah, if you like kimchi, definitely go buy this one. I think it's a solid 8.5 out of 10 noodle. Like, definitely recommend buying this and trying it. But would I buy it again? Maybe not. I think I will stick with other noodles from the Shin Ramen. Like, even the Shin Ramen Red, the hot spicy one, I will buy rather that instead. That one, like, it's bursting with flavor, super spicy. That one I liked a lot. That one was 10 out of 10 noodles. Yeah, it's good to try. Fun. Korean noodles, very good. Much better than other country noodles. But yeah, thanks for watching, and comment below if you tasted it before and did you like it or not. Thanks for watching.